Hi everyone, I hope you have a nice time. Let's try to create this slide in the PowerPoint. You see it's a transition, some kind of look good. Let's try to start. At first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, you format the background, and from here you insert the picture you want from your file and then apply it to all. Okay, we have the picture. Now we need to create these shapes. How we can create this thing? You see, this thing look pretty amazing. Now let's try to create that. At first we need to create these shapes. You see this shape. After creating that, we need to align it to the place we want and to the size we want. Okay, now let's write London in that. Okay, then select all of this and change the font to Overdrive Sunset, then increase it in size. Now just cut it and paste it here. Now you just simply need to align this center, align this middle, and select this thing. Increase it in size. Then go here and align it center, align it middle. Now press Ctrl A, go to shape format, and make them combine. Okay, now you can choose some flashy background like this, or if you don't choose one. I'll go with someone less flashier like this. Okay, then we just need to create these three shapes. They are just the same easy shapes. Okay, everything is ready, but we have a problem. What is the problem? The problem is that you need to bring this thing to front, and also you need to this thing to make the same size as this thing we have. Okay, we increase it in a little. Now everything are in the same size. Okay, now let me bring this thing back. Now we copy this slide. After copying this slide here, we can reduce the size of this text to 1. Why? I will tell you. You can see later. And this thing to 1, 1 or 2, both are good. Okay, this thing is to 2. Then here we press Ctrl A and go to shape format and align them center and middle. Now bring them up to here. Now when we here just increase it a little in size for better view. Now when here we set the transition to morph, you see the great effect appeared, and you can see how beautiful it is. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.